Hello there. Um, I always forget what I
Welcome
need to do,
aboard, sir.
or
It will
what I
be an
was
honor
doing.
to serve with you.
What quests do we have? Main shore.
I'll feel better when you've
Let's
eliminated
do
those
that as it's
spies.
right here.
There's no telling what they may be planning.
State your business. Not on my watch. Captain Bird will know for sure, though. Bye.
What?
Oh, hello.
Well met, milord. I'm Captain Bird. I make sure my guards treat the... Except for Gerald coming back from a trip down south, things are pretty quiet. Not much travel right now with the Oblivion. I've told my men to keep a sharp eye out. What about you? All right, anything I can do?
Okay, so now what? Yeah.
Hi there.
Can I not just knock on his yard? God damn it. Do you have any lockpicks?
I'm Sura. Not that I can think of. People are mostly staying home. You hear about Jarunder? He was caught stealing gold, and now he's in jail. Have a look at my wares. I'm sure there's something to suit you. That's a fair deal. come back and see me. Good day.
I need fucking lockpicks.
Have mercy.
Yes? Did you hear about Braden Lyrian? A vampire hunter named Reynold Draylus made his way into town, snuck into...
Jesus.
Yes, the vampire hunter. As far as I know, he just showed up recently here in Bruma. Not only that, but he already found a vampire among us. Apparently, Braden Lyrian was one of those vile creatures, and Reynold slew him. Kind of strange, though. I never figured he seemed to be such...
Ooh.
Need new clothing? I have a fantastic selection. A pleasure to... Farewell.
Can you spare a coin?
Ooh.
Have mercy. Just one coin.
Oh, my nothing comes to mind, of course. Ah, it's coming back to me now. Yeah, seems I saw someone looking out the window at Gerald's house the other day. Someone I'd never seen before. When Gerald wasn't home. You see what I mean? Now, if you'll excuse me, all this talk has given me a powerful thirst. Thank you kindly.
Ooh. Okay. The Thieves Guild is coming in handy.
Piotr, I work hard. I heard that some cult... Have a look at my wares. I'm sure there's something to suit you.
Okay, so what? Do you have anything better than 8? You do not. What do you have here? Anything better than 7? 4? Oh, you don't even have that much stuff anyway. Oh. Oh my god, that's so much money. That's so much money, what the hell?
You
Sure.
drive a hard bargain. Come back and see me. Be seeing you. Go ahead. If it's broken, I can fix it. Good day.
How do you not have lockpicks? Is he still in his yard? Oh, I could do. Oh, maybe not.
You're going to have to leave. This is a crime
What the
scene,
hell?
and no one other than ourselves or Reynold Draylus will be allowed access. The culprit in this crime has already been dealt with. It's just a matter of wrapping up the details. I'd tell you more, but frankly, I don't know who you are, so I'm not sure that I can trust the culprit in this. Good day.
This area is off limits to any...
He was a vampire. And who's that?
Please leave me be. I'm sorry.
Just in case I fuck up.
Please leave me be.
Halt.
I'm going. Oh, hold on. Ho, 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 ho. Fucking lockpicks, man. Okay, I love that. I need another... Oh, fuck. Angar's house. Oh, hello there.
I see you.
Wait, what?
Bruma is a perfect... Well, since I like you, I think there's somebody staying with... Never seen him, but I've heard her talking to someone, and I've seen somebody at the window when Jurl wasn't home. None of my...
Hmm.
You got some hot property?
I do.
You got a great deal there. An excellent bargain. I think I can move this item for you at that price. I think I can move a fine transaction. That seems a fair price. You got a great deal there. You got a great deal there. I think I can move this item for you at that price. Got an... A fine transaction.
I'm about to rob this whole fucking town.
I'm glad
bro.
that's done. Shadow hide you.
Oh no, we can't rob each other, can we? Genuinely, this town's getting robbed. Straight up. What am I hearing? What's she doing? Let me sell her shit quickly.
I'm really... You got some hot property. I think I can move this item for you at that... I think I can move this item for you at that price. Got anything else? I think I can move this...
How much did I need to...
You drive a hard bargain.
sell though?
An excellent
There's a certain
bargain.
amount.
A fine transaction. I'm glad that Shadow...
There we go.
hide you.
Nice. I'll be honest. He's just locked that cheeky gun.
How are you?
All I want is a fucking lockpick. Like, why is not... Does he sell lockpicks? Yo,
Unreal. You got some hot property.
come on, surely you have lockpicks, you're a fucking thief. Really?
Shadow
going on?
hide you.
Shadow hide you. I might go and see if any of the mages can give me a the next lockpick thing, because these locks are taking the piss.
How do you do? I'm Jantus Brolus. Easterus and I used to be adventure. With those Oblivion gates opening, knowledge is the key to success in any endeavor. You too.
What kept... Well, have a look around.
Oh, wait, what?
Be seeing you.
I thought I was in the Mages Guild.
Hello there. What? Did you hear about Braden Lyrian? Bye.
The hell? Why does the mage in this town look like a tramp?
Oh, have pity, sir. I got nothing to eat.
They say syndicates of...
May the wind be on your back.
Can you believe
Oh,
how
it's over here.
Skjorta acts?
Powerful wizard.
Chief,
It could be a dangerous situation.
take care.
Any luck? I heard that one of the Skingrad mages was a sulp. Please come find me as soon as you've located Jaskar.
Bro, I know where he is. That's 50. These are 50. Yo.
What do you want? Oh, Jean, I'm afraid you're not going to find him. The Mages Guild has made more than a few enemies since... Let's do business.
Skill level is too low, come on. That's what I need.
Be seeing you.
What are you? Things in the guild have been... I have potions and everything you need to make... What can I interest you in?
Open easy lock. Skill level is too low still. How do I get my skill up?
You too.
So we can't get into his yard because no one has lockpicks and we're too low to use magic on it. What am I supposed to be doing here? Oh.
Excuse me.
I'm sorry, what? What is going on? I'm so confused.
Please leave me be. Please leave me be.
So why is there I'm so confused. What the fuck am I supposed to be doing? So I can't do this quest either. Okay.
Halt.
Please give me a quest that I can do. God damn it, man, this game. Okay, go to the red one. It's constantly like, start a quest. Get into it. It starts to get interesting. No, you can't do it.
Tidings, citizen.
It's always because of fucking lockpicks.
It's you. Hi.
You
Hi there.
You're off duty now.
fucking idiot.
What? Nothing new to report on my end. Really? That is odd. I know for certain that she returned alone. I don't... Since you're working with Cloud Ruler Temple, I'm going to authorize you to search Gerald's house. I'll I trust that you'll handle things. You too.
I got this, bro.
Well met. Tidings, citizen. Anytime now.
So I still just... Guys. Oh, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna sleep.
What?
What? I've got a room. Right there. Good journey to you. Hello! I'm Hunmund. I'm a Plenty of mineral. Good news. Bye.
Hi.
I'm listening. Please, go ahead.
Hi there.
Hold on, level 10. Can't I get the skeleton key now? Okay, hold on, boys. Layer win. What we need to do here is yeah, here. There's someone here. Where is everyone? Hello? Where the fuck is everyone? I'm hearing doors open. You,
Hello, associate.
bitch, get up and talk to me.
You seek wisdom from words are difficult. Without my amulet, my stone to lock, would you lift your hands to help? Then seek Agata, child. She will see the... Within its walls live those who determine you will come to know it well. Leowyn stands alone. That's what Count Karos... The guild needs you, child. Perhaps it is...
They say a whole island with an inhuman statue appeared near Breville.
She may be young, but her heart is... Farewell, child.
Who the fuck is a garter? And that's her.
What
Who are you?
is Strasza of the Mages Guild? Evoke, but straight to the point. I'm searching for some specific crystals known as Garridan's Tears. If you... Wonderful. I had a good feeling. I want you to bring to me as many of Garridan's Tears as you can find. I confess I have a weakness for crystals of a magical nature. This is a personal errand, you must understand.
Why
The
don't I
Mages
trust
Guild
you?
has made more than a few enemies. Why doesn't the Elder Council send the Legion to help us? There's no tell. All of the local guild halls sell some amount. The tears are not just a namesake. They're literally the frozen tears. I'm not certain what happened to the knights, or why the tears were... Seek out Julian Fannis at the Arcane University in the Imperial... If anyone can help you get more information about... She's been a great help to all of us in the guild. Without her, the tears are small crystals. Bring my salutations to Julienne. Safe journey to you.
Where is this bitch? I'm sorry, what the hell is going on? No, what I need to do is find this. It's on the opposite side. Shit. Yeah, this way.
Savvy, Count's mate. Take care.
Let's hear it.
Bro, how do I get out of this place?
Hi there. Hi there.
There we go. We need to go. Oh, which way is it? This way? Yeah. Oh shit! There's another gate. We won't be doing now. How far up is it? Okay, so we're almost there. Is it here? Oh, yeah.
Night among strangers, secrets in the dark. Nocturnal is here. But my eye is blind and proud, stolen from its shrine and hid in dark waters. To steal from a god is most unwise. In Leowin, two Argonians think themselves secret. but the Eye has seen them. Find these thieves in the city that spans the waters. Learn where they hide my eye. Retrieve the Eye of Nocturnal Mortal, and return it to me, and I shall look favorably upon you.
When someone Nocturnal spoke to me of the eye which has been stolen, the Daedra believes the thieves to be in Leowin. I'm going there to find thieves and return the eye. Yes, please.
Yes? Eye of Nocturnal. Weebamna and Bajin have been bragging about some big score they made recently. They claim it's a valuable jewel. She wasn't a bad sort until she hooked up with that rascal Weebamna. That's where you're likely to find her.
Okay.
Guard stays inside the city wall. He's always got some scam going with Bajin, his partner. You might... Goodbye.
Thank you. Do you know where they live?
Sir? Bugad Grobal always... She wasn't a bad sort. You too.
Oh.
Are you Shadow hide you.
Shadow hide you?
You cannot escape the Master's vigilance!
Who the fuck is this?
Paradise awaits me.
Do not fear death! Only the chosen will survive the cleansing! Do not fear death! The time of cleansing is almost here! The time of cleansing is almost here!
Paradise awaits me.
Die, unbeliever!
Paradise awaits me.
This motherfucker. Oh, I could sell the stuff. You know what, fuck it. Actually, should I?
Do you want something from me?
Yeah,
What do you-
actually.
Be
No.
seeing you.
Fresh game.
The Fighters Guild is recruiting again. Not a bad way to make some money, if you've got the stones for it.
Interesting. Bye.
Goodbye.
Um.
Tidings. I'm Bijin. I'm a hunter and Weebamna's partner. I hope he didn't bother you. Have you been near Rosentia Galenus' house recently? Smells hot. Every time I pass by that woman's house, I hear odd animal noises and whatever it is, she should clean up her act. It's a Yes, Goodbye.
Great rats. Hate them. Hate them. Oh, did I say that out loud? Ugak Grobal has some good book. I am Weebam. Good day.
Okay, let me just I don't want to ask them about it because I feel like they're gonna tell me to fuck off.
Tidings.
What is it now?
Have you seen how upset Shrava gets by all the dogs near her house?
I've heard the dogs that Jabari keeps drive her crazy. I've also heard she knows a lot about acrobatics.
You think?
They say a whole island with an inhuman statue appeared near Breville, as if the world wasn't crazy enough already.
All right.
Be seeing ya.
Yes. Why? Why would you ask? I've never heard of it. No. Be seeing you.
What can I do? Never heard of the thing, and neither has...
But what if the trolls eat it?
Oh. Trolls don't like water. Trolls don't swim. The eye is perfectly safe in Tidewater Cave, so relax.
Questions?
What is it now?
But what if a fisherman uses the cave?
No fisherman is going into Tidewater Cave. It's full of trolls. We have to sneak past them, remember?
Oh my god. Trolls. God damn it. I wanted to do the other mission here, but if it's gonna have locks, then I'm fucked. Like, I literally can't do anything without this. I need this key to do everything, which is ridiculous if you think about it. Trolls. Let's hope they ain't fucking hench bastards. I wonder if this opens like chests as well, or if it's just like doors and locations. Oh god, there's another gate. But once I do this, I can do everything, can it? Like, there's nothing I don't have to worry about. I can literally crack on. You ready? They did say sneak past them though. Oh my god. Is that bear down here as well? Get me out. Surely bears can't open doors. I don't think I've fought a bear, have I? Oh, it's a black bear, it's fine. Fuck, it's got no health. Ooh, wow. Oh my god. Cheeky pricks. Sorted. Okay, so now we just need to go back. Come on, please.
My eye is returned, and I once again see into the darkness that is your world. We mock the thieves who were bitter as their loss. You, mortal, may take this. It shall open the secrets of dark places for you.
Yes. Yes! We've done it. Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh my god. We can do anything. I feel immortal. I feel like, oh my god. Oh my god. Next episode's gonna be a banger. We're doing so much. I'll see you then. Peace.